10 brilliant ideas in Japan and Korea that show big thinking.
Infamous custard pudding in Japan comes in a container with a tab. All you do is open the top of the custard, place it on a plate, flip it over, and pop the tab. The pudding will fall neatly onto the plate, making it effortless to enjoy without any mess or digging in the container.
Did you know that in Japan, there's an actual law that forces snack companies to be completely honest about what's inside their packaging? It's true. Whatever you see on the outside of the package, whether it's the size of the snack, the color, how many pieces there are, it all has to match exactly what's inside the bag. If a company even slightly exaggerates how good the food looks, or if the real snack doesn't match the pictures shown, they can get fined, penalized, or even have the product pulled from shelves. So if you buy a bag of cookies in Japan and the picture shows big, chunky cookies loaded with chocolate chips, that's exactly what you'll find when you open it. No sad, shrunken versions. No missing ingredients. It has to be accurate by law. In Japan, kids have their own bank. It's a real bank, but only for kids. Parents aren't even allowed inside. They can deposit their own money, get a special ATM card, and start learning how to manage their finances early. It's all designed to teach them financial literacy before they hit adulthood, so they're way more prepared than most of us ever were. Secondly, Japan is so safe. Even kids walk to school alone without any adult supervision. Nobody really steals in Japan. You can leave your phone, wallet, even a bag somewhere. Come back an hour later, and it'll still be sitting right where you left it. And on the rare chance it's not there, there are actual lost and found stores where you can go check for your stuff, because people in Japan usually turn lost items in. In Korea, they have special priority seats just for pregnant women. You'll find them clearly marked with pink signage on buses and subways, and people actually respect them. Even if the train is packed, most locals won't dare sit there unless they're pregnant. It's a small gesture, but it shows a massive level of care and awareness for expecting mothers trying to navigate the city. Second, in Japan, they have self-heating lunchboxes. These bento boxes are especially popular on long train rides. All you do is pull a string attached to the box, and it triggers a heating reaction inside. Within minutes, your meal is warm. Lastly, Japan also has special umbrellas designed for couples. They're wider and slightly curved on both sides, so two people can walk comfortably under the same umbrella without anyone getting soaked. It turns a rainy walk into a cozy moment. In Korea, they have futuristic bus hubs that make regular bus stops look ancient. These hubs are fully enclosed with glass walls, keeping you protected from wind, rain, and extreme temperatures. Inside, there's air conditioning in the summer and heating in the winter. An LED screen shows real-time bus schedules, along with a live CCTV feed, so you can literally see your bus approaching before it gets there. The benches are heated, and there are wireless chargers built right into the seating area. In Japan, they have head covers when you're shopping and trying on clothes. There's usually head covers within the dressing room to ensure that you don't get any makeup on the clothing. These head covers are usually made of a thin, cotton-like material. You simply just put it over your head, and it protects the clothing from whatever is on your face. Secondly, in Japan, they weigh your clothes at self-checkout to find the total. Stores like Uniqlo use AI-powered counters where you don't have to scan each item individually. You just place your whole basket on the machine, and it automatically weighs and identifies everything inside. Your total pops up on the iPad screen, and you just tap to pay. No employees, no hassle. It's a fully unattended shopping experience. And honestly, the level of trust and efficiency is something the US could seriously learn from.
Grocery stores, they have smart shopping carts. You can scan your items, put them in your cart, and pay at the end. Next, in their bathrooms, there are phone sanitizers. You just put your phone in a special slot while you wash your hands, and the germs are killed with UV light. Lastly, my favorite one is the self-closing jars to make things easier. You just place the lid on the jar, and it seals itself to keep your food fresh. How cool is that?
In Japan, sushi restaurants serve your food on conveyor belts, and they prepare your bill by scanning your plates. Each plate color matches a different price. They scan your plates, then hand you the receipt so you can pay. Next, in Japan, they have refrigerators you can open from either side. Usually in the US, fridges are either single doors that open from one side or double doors that open from the middle. But in Japan, their fridges open from both sides to accommodate both left-handed and right-handed people.
Some restrooms even have LED screens that show the whole layout of the bathroom, lighting up red and blue to show which stalls are free. If you're someone who gets loud on the toilet, you can play music to cover up the sound so no one hears your big dumps.
In Japan, some trains have seats that rotate 180 degrees. If you're traveling with friends, you can literally spin your seat around to face them. No more awkward twisting in your chair for hours. It's a small feature that completely changes the experience, especially on long rides. Why the US hasn't caught up with this is beyond me. Second, In Japan, many cans have Braille printed on the label. It's especially helpful for alcohol, letting visually impaired people know if the drink has alcohol in it. This simple, inclusive design choice makes shopping so much easier, and it's something the US still hasn't implemented, even though it would be incredibly useful. Next, Japan has self-sorting garbage bins that use AI to sort your trash. You toss your waste in, and the bin automatically directs it to the right compartment: plastic, food waste, or general trash. It makes recycling foolproof, and actually kind of fun to use. Lastly, Japan has heated ear stickers. You peel them off, stick them behind your ear, and within seconds, they start releasing a soothing warmth. It's designed to help reduce stress and fatigue. Basically, a mini spa treatment wherever you are. Whether you're on the train, at work, or out walking, it's an instant stress reliever. In Japan, they plastic wrap bananas. Yes, really. In most grocery stores, bananas are individually wrapped to keep them fresh longer and prevent bruising. But the real genius is something called one-a-day bananas. These packs include 5 to 6 bananas in varying stages of ripeness, from yellow to green. So by the time you finish the first banana, the others are ready just in time. You never have to deal with a bunch of bananas going bad all at once. Some convenience stores even sell hot drinks like tea or plain hot water, and they've got designated heated shelves made just to keep those drinks warm. Next, Japan uses motion sensor escalators. And I know what you're thinking. At first, they just look broken or completely off, but the second you walk up, they detect your movement and instantly turn on. It's such a smart way to save electricity, but that's not the best part. Their escalator etiquette is honestly next level. If you're standing still, you stay on the left. That way, anyone in a rush can freely walk on the right without bumping into people or getting stuck. It keeps everything moving, even during peak hours. In Japan, there are rental strollers. You'll find them at nearly every major location or busy street, especially around train stations and shopping districts. These aren't your average strollers either. Some look like compact suitcases until they unfold into fully functional strollers with extra storage underneath. They're designed for parents on the go who didn't bring one or just need an easier way to navigate the city with their kid. And in South Korea, they've even got rental wheelchairs nearby, perfect for anyone who needs extra help getting around in large public areas. Second, in Japan, vending machines don't just serve cold drinks, they serve hot ones too. You can grab a warm can of coffee, green tea, or even corn soup. Yes, actual corn soup, especially during the colder months. Just look for the red labels. Those mean it's hot, it's fast, satisfying, and way more convenient than stopping into a cafe. Lastly, Japan has smart flower pots. These are mini electric planters with LED screens that show your plant's exact status, like when it's thirsty, too hot, or not getting enough light. They even display little digital emotions to tell you how your plant is feeling. No more guessing what your plant really needs. Japan has grocery trucks. These mini trucks drive through neighborhoods, selling meat, dairy, vegetables, snacks. Basically, a mobile convenience store. It's perfect for people without easy access to transportation or anyone who wants to skip a full grocery run. One standout is the sweet potato truck. Instead of ice cream, it sells freshly roasted sweet potatoes you can smell from down the street. The driver calls out as they pass by, bringing warm comfort food straight to your door. Secondly, Korea doesn't play about bugs. At trails and parks, you'll find free bug spray stations. Just spritz and go. That way, you don't end up with a leg full of mosquito bites. They also have bug repellent stickers you stick on your clothes, and mosquitoes won't even look at you. And if bugs follow you home, rechargeable bug zappers shaped like mini tennis rackets zap them instantly. Low effort, high reward. Lastly, Japan has vending machines for everything, including cake. These machines serve slices of fresh cake in a can, restocked daily in all kinds of flavors. Whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., you can satisfy your sweet tooth. People actually line up for them, even late at night.